Welcome to Chapter 1. We're going to dive into the math behind something we see every day, brightness.
Brightness seems like a simple idea, right? But in tech and art, it's actually pretty complicated.
So we're going to break down 4 key terms that you absolutely need to know about light.
First step is lux. This measures how much light is actually landing on a surface, like your desk.
But here's the catch. Our eyes are not great light meters. We can be pretty easily fooled.
So just how big can the difference in brightness be? Well, the answer is kind of astronomical.
A bright, sunny day is about 100 million times brighter than a clear, starry night. Okay, so this brings up a good question. When you buy a projector, you see lumens, not lux. Why?
It's because lux totally depends on distance. As the light spreads out, the surface just gets dimmer.
Lumen measures the total light pumping out right from the source. It's the projector's true power.
And get this, if you double the distance from a light source, the brightness drops to just 1/4.
Right, but what about lights that are directional, like a spotlight that's focused on one spot?
For something like that, we need a way to measure the light's intensity in one specific direction.
And that's exactly where candela comes in. It tells you how bright the light is in that single direction.
Our last term is for things that create their own light, like your TV or smartphone screen.
We call this luminance, and we measure that dazzle in a unit called a nit.
And a quick but important note, it's pronounced nito, not nito.
This here brilliantly shows how all these ideas work together: total light, directional light, and surface brightness.
So think of these 4 terms as your complete toolkit for understanding pretty much any kind of brightness.
We've really just scratched the surface here. We're going to release more in-depth explainers on these concepts very soon.